Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are interested in modeling, you've come to one of the best places where you can get detailed information about the modeling industry. So as you guys may know, I actually do one-on-one consultations where I've helped hundreds, if not thousands of models get signed to an agency, get their career started, or maybe they were a little bit stuck and I helped them get more work, right? So one of the questions that's come up lately is, am I too old to become a model, right? So in this video, I want to address that question, so stick with me. All right, guys, so the simple answer is no. You're not too old to become a model. There's no right age anymore to become a model. Because keep in mind, when people think about models, right, they think about the high fashion runway models who are typically on the youthful side, right? However, there's so many categories to modeling. There's mature modeling, for example. There's commercial print modeling. There's body parts modeling. There's fitness modeling. All these different categories of modeling don't necessarily have the same strict age requirements as a runway high fashion editorial model, right? So there are plenty of models who started their career after the age of 40 and actually had a very successful run. One model that comes to mind, and she's actually one of my favorite models, is Joani Johnson. She's had a very successful career, and mind you, she started late.
I am a model and a certified tea blender. I was walking in the Chelsea area of Manhattan, and a streetwear photographer stopped me and took a photograph. And I am where I am today due to those circumstances.
Take a look at her Instagram page. I've said this before in previous videos, your Instagram account is sort of like an extension to your portfolio. And if clients are paying attention to your Instagram, the more work you seem to be getting, the more they want to work with you, right? So keep that in mind. The other thing I would say is that for male models actually have more potential to book more work, more high-paying work the older you get, right? So if you're a male model and you're watching this and you're wondering, am I too old to become a model? You're not. This is actually the prime time of your career, so this is the best time to get started. For female models, the industry has changed so much where you're seeing models in their 50s walking down the runway. So think about what I said about the categories, right? You have to figure out what category of modeling do you fit into, what are your interests, and pursue that, right? Because don't let your age limit you again. Okay, so I think I've answered your question about, am I too old to become a model? Next question, really quick, how do you get started, right? Again, number one, think about the category of modeling you're into. If it's commercial print, you want to shoot some lifestyle images, work with some photographers, get those test shoots in your portfolio, and then start applying to agencies that way. If you're a male, you may want to consider doing menswear. Agencies would then take a look at your portfolio to get an idea of how they might market you and what category you might fit into, right? So this would help them make their decision on whether or not they want to sign you. So you want to make this decision really tough for the agency by having really great images. Work with photographers that actually know what they're doing. Don't try to go the cheap route and work with someone who's more affordable. Work with the best, right? Because this is your shot to have a first impression and you want to make sure you get it right. If you guys have questions, drop them in the comment box down below. Would love to hear from you guys. If you guys like this video or you learned anything new, hit me with a thumbs up. I appreciate it. See you guys in my next one.